Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find and utilize the psychedelic glitch effect on CapCut. It's a pro feature, so you guys need CapCut Pro to be able to export this effect. So initially you're going to want to go to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Glitch, and then you'll be able to find the psychedelic glitch effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to delete this one. And now we're going to use the player head to just check out how it looks. Wow, that's actually so dope. All right, we're going to bring it to the beginning of the clip and to the end of the clip. Now the effect is on the entirety of the clip that I have in the timeline. Now we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the color of it as well, right? So what we can do is also add keyframes, and I'll show you guys quickly how to do that. All right, so we can use the strength. We're going to have the strength at 100, and the speed of the effect, we're going to keep it there. Now we're going to add some keyframes. We're going to bring the player head to the beginning of the clip, and we're going to just click on this keyframe on the top. And now we're going to bring the player head all the way to the end. And we're going to bring the color all the way up, and the keyframe automatically adds. So let's check out what the keyframe does. That's a dope effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.